Come on, man, let's go. Come on. Oh, dude.
Living with damage to your car is annoying every day.
Hey, man, have you seen my new hat? Are you kidding me?
So trust the experts at Maaco to restore your car to its original shine. It'll feel like a fresh start.
Looking good, buddy.
Don't live with the uh-oh. Get Maaco.
I had a nice time tonight.
Yeah, me too. Hey, man, I thought we agreed to have the place to myself tonight.
Maybe I should just head home.
No, please, I'll call you.
Living with damage to your car is never not annoying. So trust the experts at Maaco to get your car back to looking like new. You'll be glad you did.
Nice to have my wingman back.
Don't live with the uh-oh. Get Maaco.